And this is also something I did probably a year ago. And this is relatively simple, okay? And this is for application development. And usually database design and the database development is part of the overall application development project or software development project. So we have front end web-based applications, and then we use a tool, a secure store service, and this tool facilitates security permission management. And then we have another tool, another layer, a middle layer, so to speak, for business connectivity. So users will start a front-end program, then will be authorized, authenticated, and authorized by this secure store service. Then they can get to the content stored in the database via these connected business connectivity services. So when the content, the data is presented or needs to be updated, it's all based on security trimming. Okay, you can only see and work with the data you have been authorized to see. Very, very important in industry because of the privacy and the confidentiality. And then in the database, okay, so this is an application database, so to speak. So this database has transactional data. It's not a transactional database. It's the reporting database, but it has transactional data. So the transactional databases are here, and we will do a data pipelines every day, depending on the requirement, maybe every 15 minutes or real time. And so this is for analytics, right? So when applications create reports, when applications do analytics, they will work with views. But when we do a data pipelining, when we do ETL, we will refresh the data stored in base tables. So these base tables will get refreshed, will be updated with new data from transactional databases. So we have data pipelines or ETL, right? Different terms. What's unique about this design is because there are so many external transactional databases in the system. So you know how business requirements can change, right? So it's not whether the external system will change. The question is more like how often, right? How often the external system will have a change very often. So changes are constant. We just need to update these base tables, but we maintain the same view. The views are always consistent. If the views are consistent, then all your downstream applications like the BI, analytics, or whatever, they would work with the views. They don't need to worry about changes happening in the outside world. So this is commonly used in the industry. Just think about, I think the unique thing about this design is here, these views. Just another idea about how you want to design architecture for your for your project, right? Those are the things that we are looking for in the architectural diagram. And then you have components, for example, what you use to do analytics, what you use to maintain the business connectivity, connectors, right? Drivers, and how you manage permissions, and then external system, external data sources, and then this will be your project database management system.